Hi friends, welcome to Cherry Berry Foods. I'm Shweta and today I am making carrot, cauliflower and green peas pickle. You can enjoy this as a side dish with your chapati or paratha etc. Also by this method of preparing pickle, you can preserve carrots, cauliflower and green peas for a long period of 8 to 9 months and can satisfy your craving when these vegetables get out of season. So let's begin. So here I have 150 grams fresh carrots, washed, peeled and chopped in pieces like this, and 150 grams cauliflower florets, washed. Also I have 150 gram fresh washed green peas. In spices we will need garam masala, black sarso and yellow sarso powder, fenugreek seeds powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, dry mango powder, coriander powder and fennel seeds powder, onion paste, ginger paste and garlic paste, 300 ml mustard oil, salt and asafoetida, and the quantities of the ingredients is given in the ingredients list. Now first I gonna put these veggies in boiling hot water one by one. So here goes in carrot first. Now let this in water until it becomes slightly tender. For a reference for carrots, the time is 3 minutes. In this amount of veggies, spices and oil, we will get approx 1 kg pickle. Also you can make pickle of 1 or 2 veggies, whatever you like to. Just replace the other with the same quantity. As if you want to make the pickle of only green peas, then replace the carrots and cauliflower with green peas. Now it's been complete 3 minutes and it's time to take this out with the help of a strainer. Now it's time to put in our cauliflower florets. This will take less time to become tender. For a reference, let's just put this for only 2 minutes. Now it's been complete 2 minutes and now I am taking this out and straining all the water. Now we'll follow the same process with our tiny little green peas. So let this in for only a single minute. This process to putting the veggies in the boiling hot water will kill the germs and will make the veggies tender. Also by this we will get increased shelf life of the pickle. Till the time I am playing with these green peas, going round and round and round. So friends, it's been complete 1 minute and now I am straining these out from the boiling hot water. After taking these veggies out of the boiling water, do not add a single drop of cold water to these veggies and keep these veggies in a completely dried vessel. Now as our veggies are ready for pickling, so now I gonna prepare masala for pickle. So heating 300 ml mustard oil in a wide vessel, we need oil lower than the medium hot. Now oil got the desired heat. Now here goes in 30 grams chopped garlic cloves. Now stir it around 30 to 40 seconds and here goes in 50 grams onion paste. It for a minute and here goes in 30 grams ginger paste. Now let the masala roasting for a couple of minutes on a very low flame. So now these are lightly done. Now gonna put in our spices. So first goes in 30 grams fenugreek seed powder. Stir it once. And to this add 30 grams dry coriander powder. Fennel seeds powder. Now stirring continuously for half a minute. Now adding mustard seeds or rai ki dal, sarson ki dal and stir it for 2 minutes. Now adding salt to this. Now it's time to add dry mango powder. And now stir it again. Now mix it well, and now I'm adding 15 grams turmeric powder. Stir it very nice. Now add in 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida and stir it for 2 to 3 minutes again. Now add in 5 ml vinegar and give it a stir. Now switch off the flame and at last add in red chili powder and quickly give it a nice stir. So now our pickle masala is ready. Now to this add in green peas and mix nicely. Now add in carrots and mix again. Now at last add in our cauliflower florets, and this time be careful while mixing and turn all the masala upside down with very light hands till all the masala coats the cauliflower florets. This is very important to coat the masala very nicely so that the pickle will store for a long period. Also we need to be very careful about the cauliflower florets, that these cauliflower florets are so tender, and so do not let this break and mix nicely. So friends, follow the same sequence, quantity and time of everything shown in the video and your pickle will be last for a longer period. Now our pickle is ready. Now let it store in the same vessel or in a big size vessel with a net cover, or cover it with a muslin cloth for 2 to 3 days and give it a mix in between. By doing this, the rye and sarson will give it a very nice and tangy flavor, and all the bitterness turns to sour and tangy taste. So friends, if you find this pickle mouth-watering, please like, share and subscribe to Cherry Berry Foods and click on the bell icon for more uploads. Friends, you can watch the same video in Hindi also by visiting Cherry Berry Foods Hindi. Enjoy and thank you.